So, this is my little menagerie of heat engines. The Sipping Bird to the right, Crookes Radiometer in the middle, and the Stirling engine on the left. Each fully dependent, as are all engines, on the laws of thermodynamics. An explanation of all three I'm going to put on another video very soon, but I thought you might like just to see them all in action at once on this sunny day. The Crookes in the middle and the Stirling on the left rely directly on the heat input from the sun. The Sipping Bird on the right, that's more down to the ambient temperature of the room here, the conservatory that we're in. It is warm in here, but even in a normal room in the house, a bit cooler in there. That Sipping Bird, it still sips. Just needs a tiny temperature difference between its head and its bulbous base there, as you can see. Just a slight temperature difference. It's so efficient, it just goes on and on and on. But perpetual motion machine it is not. It requires a temperature difference.